Welcome to La Quinta Inn by Wyndham, Wausau. Stay with us for a great night's rest that will lead to good mornings in this interesting and unique area. Provides you quick and easy access to the racing at State Park Speedway, the shows at the Grand Theater, hiking, picnicking, and more at Rib Mountain State Park, and skiing at Granite Peak Ski Area. You may also want to enjoy shopping at Wausau Center or visit a local brewery. Our goal is to make your home away from home in Wausau a place you'll want to visit again and again. This is a great part of the nation and a fun part of Wisconsin. Take the time to get to know our hotel. We cater to groups, traveling vendors, and those in town for special events. Depend on us for a simple stay at a great price. lqwausau.com